Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How do you do? Hoping of your best of health and iman. MashaAllah. Now we are going to start our work. Let's open your English workbook, grade 3. Open page number 32. Common noun and proper noun. Today we are going to start definition of common and proper noun. First me tell you about common noun, that what is common. Common mean आम चीज, ठीक है, आम चीज जो हर जगह मौजूद हो, हर वक्त मौजूद हो, mean common noun. Noun means नाम and common mean आम चीज. Common let me call in Urdu, common noun mean ism nakra या ism आम. So I tell you the definition of common noun. Common noun is the name of an ordinary person, place or thing. Common noun is the name of an ordinary person. Ordinary mean आम इंसान, place आम जगह or thing या आम चीज. Common noun is the name of an ordinary person, place or thing. Common noun start with small letter. Okay, common noun starts with small letter. For example, chair, table, door. These are all common nouns. Write 3 common nouns in each box. The first one is done for you. 3 common nouns mean, first one is zoo, canteen, animals, swings. We can see that canteen is available in all schools, so it is a common noun. Animals, we can see animals in the different animals we can find in zoo, and different swings we can find in zoo. So these are common nouns. In this box we can see park. We can see that there are many parks in our city, in our country. So park is a common noun. In park we can see many swings, many flowers, many bench. So these are common nouns, mean there are many swings in park, there are many flowers in park, and there are many bench in park. So these are ordinary things in park, and these are common nouns. In this box there is mentioned school. In school we can see canteen, table, chair. So canteen is available in all school, as like table are available in all school and chairs are available in all school. So these are common noun. So common noun is a name of an ordinary person, place or thing. Common noun start with the small letter. We can see that these common noun are start with small letter, and these are all common noun. Okay, thank you. Khuda Hafiz.